Hey, what's up? It's Elise from the Crunchy Ginger. It is December 2019 and this is my MightyFix. So this month for my MightyFix, I'm excited because I took advantage of the free shipping that comes with other stuff that you order from Mighty Nest whenever you do a MightyFix. Again, the MightyFix is $11 a month. It's a subscription program. They send you something every month. You don't know what it is, and it's going to be some kind of product that's geared towards sustainability, some sort of green home product, kitchen product. I don't know what it is, but I do know what the other things in this box are, so I'm excited to show you those as well. So I'll start with the stuff that I know what it is. Well, I kind of know what it is because it's all wrapped up in this paper. One thing I really like about Mighty Nest is all of the packaging is sustainable, so there's no like plastic peanuts or bubble wrap or any of that stuff. You often get boxes that are like recycled, obviously recycled boxes from other products. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so I ordered 2 of these. These are by Plan Toys, and this is a sustainable toy company, and they make all of their stuff out of rubber wood, I believe. But these are like these little mushrooms, like these tiny little mushroom kaleidoscopes, and I ordered 2 of these. I ordered one for each of my boys. They were really inexpensive, and I think they'll be a great little something. These are walnut shell scouring pads. So like a year or so ago, I was washing dishes and I used to use, I never really thought so much about like the greenness of my sponges, and I used those like blue scrubbing pad sponges, and I left it in the sink and came back to it and realized that all of the dishwater had turned blue, and it really sicked me out because I don't know why they have to be blue, but whatever that is also coming off on my dishes, which I put in my mouth. So I switched to these scouring pads and more natural like cellulose sponges, and these are made out of walnut shells and they work great. They're a couple of bucks. They last for a really long time. This comes in a pack of 3, and these are made by Full Circle, so I'd highly recommend these. These are organic bamboo cooking utensils, and I have a set of these and I really love them, and I got a set for somebody who is learning to cook for Christmas this year, so I'm excited to give these as well. These are really cool because they have a little rest on the bottom of them, so when you set them down they don't like drip all like stick to your counter or whatever. They're made by Bambu, B-A-M-B-U. They're made out of bamboo. This is my other Plan Toys mushroom. I think. They didn't tell me what colors were coming, so I actually don't know if it matches or if it's different. And it's red, which is perfect because my older son is crazy about red, so he will obviously be getting the red one. Okay, so now to the surprise. Those are presents for other people, and this is like a present for me. It feels kind of heavy. It's in well-packaged box. I feel like I'm gonna need scissors for this. I actually don't even know how to, I'm not really sure how this is even taped together. Okay. Oh, this is like when I was a kid, my mom would wrap Christmas presents and put like 7,000 bows tied on it, and you couldn't open it. It took you like 15 minutes to like get past the bows on the package. Okay. Laundry powder. This is laundry powder, and it also comes with a laundry stain removal stick. I'm totally gonna pronounce this company wrong. Meliora. I have like a spray that's made by this company and really like it quite a bit. Let's see what your MightyFix is here. It always comes with this tag. It tells you what it is and how to use it. Let's see, this month's fix is an all-natural laundry pairing, a 32 HE load canister of lemon-scented laundry powder and stain removal soap stick from Meliora cleaning products. Meliora means better in Latin, so it says. Awesome, so I have an HE machine. It says add half a tablespoon of powder directly into your load. Okay, what makes it mighty? 4 simple ingredients, so you're not getting all of the nasty stuff that comes in a lot of commercial, conventional laundry detergents. A stain stick is simply made of vegetable soap. No synthetic fragrances, phthalates, dyes, optical brighteners, or any other creepy toxic ingredients. Packaging environmentally friendly and refillable. Awesome. It's a B Corp, Leaping Bunny and Made Safe certified, US and family owned run company. Cool. Okay, so it looks like in this canister, it's just the powder. And yeah, I would say this is significantly less packaging than what my current laundry detergent, which is also a natural green detergent, comes with. Cool, and the stain removal stick as well. Okay, I will try it. I will try it. I will let you know. This is really fun. This is kind of unexpected. The last few things have been, oh wow, it's like literally like a stick. It's like a bar of soap. You wet the stained area and rub the soap stick on the stain. Then you wash it like you always do. Great for all fabrics, including baby clothes. Well, you know what? I've got a lot of stains on a lot of stuff, and I will definitely give it a try. Okay, there you go. There's my MightyFix for December 2019, the last one of the year. Do you MightyFix? What'd you get this month? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more tips and tricks to live a little greener and save a little money, head on over to thecrunchyginger.com. Follow me on Instagram at thecrunchyginger. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll put the link for mightynest.com down below so that you can check it out if you don't MightyFix. Thanks for watching.